Hello everyone, I am Marie of Historical Belle. Tonight my husband and I are attending an 18th century salon and game night hosted by our dance troupe, Atlanta Historic Dance. There were very many period-appropriate games to play, such as Shut the Box, chess, and there was also a whist lesson. Whist was the most popular card game in America in the late 18th and 19th centuries. Let's learn how to play.
So, how many people here have ever played a card game that involves the taking of tricks? For you folks who have played trick-based card games, whist should come very easily to you. So what you're trying to do is you're trying to win all four cards. In the scoring of whist, in most trick-based card games, the score is based on the number of tricks versus the individual cards. That's not 100% true in all games, but generally speaking, that's why we talk about taking of the trick.
10. That doesn't help me.
I don't think
5 it is.
There were also very many wonderful historic snacks, and there was also an open bar. After we filled our plates with some yummy food, we then played some parlor games, such as the hunter and the deer. Let's watch.
The hunting commence.
That was very quick. Yes.
Yeah, I'm too good at this game.
You are very good at this game, dear.
I like the supportive wife. Yes, you're very good.
Yay!
Oh, wait, did we make her the deer? Oh!
Keep going, Rhapsody! Keep going! Keep going! Run! We make it! Yay!
There was then a presentation about swords in the 18th century and how to duel with them.
The small sword. There, of course, have been swords previous to small swords. People have dueled before the 18th century using blades. But the small sword is a weapon that was specifically designed for civilian use, specifically designed for self-defense, and specifically designed to be as fast and as deadly as possible. The characteristic of a small sword is that it's small.
Really?
And it's a sword. Clever, weren't they? So, the thing with the small sword is, I want you to run your fingers along the edge of that sword. Did you get your fingers cut? Should you have asked that before I asked you to do that? Yes. So, the edges are not sharp on the small sword. The tip, however, comes to a needle point, comes to a needle sharpness. The blade, if you look at it cross-section, you see that is a triangular, diamond-shaped blade. All of the kinetic energy of your muscle is transferred into less than 1/4 inch of tip. This drives into the body very powerfully, very quickly. Speed and accuracy are what this sword is all about. You don't have to defeat armor. Armor has gone out. All you've got to do is make it through clothing and flesh. And this does the job wonderfully. There are a few different styles of small sword.
The company members of Atlanta Historic Dance then performed before everyone was invited to dance with us. Thank you so much for coming with us to this 18th century salon and game night. I hope you enjoyed, and if you would like to become part of the Historical Belle Society, please subscribe. Until next time.